Today I'll be doing a Neytiri Avatar look. I was inspired with this project that I did back in high school and I'm gonna be recreating on me. If you want to achieve this look, please keep on watching. I already put moisturizer and a primer on my face, and now I'm gonna show you all how I did my tribal hairstyle. So I start by grabbing a big piece right on the middle of my hair and start braiding them. And for the rest, I'll be doing a small piece of braiding. You can create your own tribal hair however you want it. It's basically just braiding it with a different style. I'll be adding 3 to 4 beads in some strand of braids. I'm using hairspray as well to make it easier to insert these beads. It took me at least an hour to braid this hair, and I decided to do some dreads with some of it. I started to curl the back area just to make my hair look fuller. Adding some rings that I got from Forever 21, and I'll cut them once and it'll be easier to put them on my hair. Getting closer to the interesting part, I'm pinning up the avatar ears that I made out of paper and molding wax. You can get this at Party City, Michael's, or Spirit Halloween. Grabbing my Ulta Contour Kit and getting the Goddess bronzer color, and I'll use it to create a guide where I'm going to put the molding wax in a little bit. While I'm doing this, I put a little bit of baby oil on my fingers because it's kind of sticky and it gets hard to form without it. I'm forming the molding wax in a flat form because Neytiri have that flat looking nose and you really want to transform that from your normal nose. To set the molding wax, I'll be using a setting powder that I got from Amazon, and you can get this at Michael's store or Spirit Halloween as well. Moving on to face paint, I'll be using this dark blue cream makeup, and I got this from Party City. Mixing it with a clown white, and it's the same brand as my setting powder. Mix it both really well, and I'm going to start applying all over my face, neck, shoulder, and chest. Now you might see some paint bumps here and there, but I'll fix that throughout the video. I forgot to mention that I already put my contacts, and I did it off camera because it's easier for me that way. Getting the 3rd edition eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm grabbing a peach color and I'll be putting that on my lips and the tip of my nose. On the same palette, I'll be grabbing a dark blue color and I'm gonna start to put the stripes on. Grabbing a light blue shimmer eyeshadow, and I'll be putting that right on the middle of the stripes that I just did, just to give it a vibrant look. Before I move on with the rest of the stripes, I decided to do my eyebrows and to see what I'm working with. Continuing with the stripes using the same color that I used from earlier. I'll be contouring my nose with the same color that I used for the stripes. Next, I'll be putting a black eyeshadow on my eyelid. I'm finishing off with the stripes. Using the same light blue shimmer color, I'll be putting that on top of each stripe and highlight some areas. I decided to put more black eyeshadow on top of my eyelid to make the yellow contacts pop a little bit more. And I put black on the bottom of my waterline as well. Right here, I'll be covering the natural skin color with a black eyeshadow. We're almost close to the end, and I'll be using a clown white to finish the dots. I'm going to put this off camera and show you all the props that I did for this look. And this is the Neytiri stripe necklace that I created, and all the materials that I use are from Michaels. That is all it. Comment down below what y'all think about this look, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!